Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Let's design a minimal icon pack using custom shapes. Create a grid layout with equal spacing. Select the custom shape tool and pick simple icons. Place the first icon in the top left menu. Adjust stroke thickness for a uniform style. Duplicate the icon shape for consistency. Replace the duplicated shapes with new icons. Maintain matching stroke weight on all icons. Use monochrome colors for minimalism. Align every icon inside its grid box. Add labels under each icon. Use clean, thin text for modern style. Check spacing between all elements. Adjust align until perfect. Your minimal